Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily create a logo for a hair salon. So let's start. You will have a link in the description for Canva. It's like an amazing program for creating logos and other graphics. So what you want to do is be in a Canva and then just click here on the create design and right here logo. Okay, and right here search in the template hair, and here you got some hair, but I really want to find a category here. I don't know if I will find it, but probably no, but I won't. But so let's write here hair, and you got it here. For example, this one is for free that you could use, and also like this one here is paid, that you need to pay like €1 to use it. But then you get like here this one you can use. So, and the last thing you want to do is that when you have it, and when you go to elements and right here like hair, and you gotta find plenty of elements that you can use, then just download it, PNG, download, and here you got for yourself a logo. Really simple, really easy, and anyone can do that. Thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya.